Okay, this video is about how to do a product replacement in the new Mary Kay InTouch system as of the update from December 2023. So the deal is, to find it, you need, and this a product replacement is done whenever you have a customer that orders like the wrong product, the wrong color or something like this, and you need to replace it. So what you do is, I typed in the word product replacement in the search bar thing, and then it came up underneath the home and products. And so what I did is I'm like, okay, where is product replacement? I am scrolling down here. And then I'm seeing, oh, wait a second. Okay, where there's still, at the bottom, it says product replacement program. So then you touch the word go now. And now what you're going to do, it's coming up here to the system to do the product replacement. So what you do is you accept the guidelines of the product replacement program. You can read all that stuff, what have you. What you're going to do is, it's the shipping information. The product is going to be shipped to you, and then you get it to your customer. So it has the primary address, and then you do things like, it also has an FAQ here, so you can touch that. But you're going to touch the button for next, and then you're going to type in your customer information. So, you know, your customer is Jane Doe, and this is her, phone number. And here we go. I'm just giving her my number and her email address, Jane Doe at gmail.com. Okay. Whatever her, address is. Okay. All right. Well, clearly I can't type and film at the same time, but you get the idea. This is what we're doing. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because you have to walk through it. You're going to add that customer. See the add button? All right. So now we have the customer that we need the replacement for. Okay, now we're going to click next. We're going to click the product. All right, so the product description. She needs to, let's say she was crazy and she ordered the light ivory concealer. And so you type that in there. All right. And then you're going to, the price of it is, $16. All right. And you have to type it in like they want it. The part number. All right. So that comes from the box. And so that part number on this product is 902191. 902191. And then you're going to, it's one of them. She wants a replacement. The day code. Day codes are listed on different parts. If it's a product like this, the day code is the 4-digit, 4 letters here. And that says CT10. So that's what you type in. Okay, other places to look for that. If it's an eyeliner, it can be on the band of the eyeliner. If it's a tube, it'll be on the crimp of the tube, things like that. The date returned, it should be within 30 days. So I'm going, she returned it to me on the 2nd of this month. And you put all the data in just like they want it. And then you select the reasons. Okay, she got the wrong color. So let's look at that. She accidentally picked the shade. That was the wrong shade. She, doesn't like the color because she actually ordered the wrong one. But we're just going to say she doesn't like it. Okay, so there you go. And then you add it in, and then, okay, it says the part number is invalid. So obviously I can't, read whatever that is. Okay, look, dyslexia right there. So we just have to delete that. So you got to have the right part number. So it's 09222 All right, there we go. And correct. Okay, now we're going to do the add again. See, it liked it. So now it's telling you what the issue is. Okay, so we just had one product replaced. That's all we're going to do. We're going to push the next button. And then this is what we want it replaced with. So what I want to do is I want to get the color that she really wants. And so I'm going to get one of those. And then what she really wants, so you got to have the part number for that. Okay. So, one place you can find the part number is if you are looking on your online ordering, it gives you the part number. I'm just going to tell you, I'm going to run back to my inventory closet really quick because I'm doing a film and it's just easier to do this way. But you could look underneath the online ordering and find the part number of the product that you want. And then that's what you do. So I'm just going to get, she wants the light beige instead of light ivory. We're just going to pretend. Okay, so I'm going to get this one. This is what she is going to, you got to have the part number to replace it with. Okay. So, pardon me, this is just what we do so that we can, make these things work. Okay. So here we go. Now let's get the number right. 092193. Oh, whoop. Well, not that. Oh boy. This is why we probably need a film expert. 092193. There we go. And then we're going to push the word next. Okay. Oh, replacement value. It says it's supposed to be the same. So replacement information. So looks like something is not, it's not correct. Okay, they just didn't, there was a glitch. You saw that. I pushed the button. It didn't want to do it right. So now we see it's all correct. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to click the next button. Okay, now it's giving you the chance to check out, and it's telling you, okay, you got this one, this is the problem one, and then now we're going to get this one. And then you need to push submit order. Okay, I am not pushing submit order because this is a fake for y'all's demonstration purposes, but you would push submit order, and then what's going to happen is the company is going to send you the product because it's mailing it to you, and then you will then take that product and then give it to your customer. So hopefully that makes sense. Yay! Bye!